They're smaller than the Earth, smaller than the Moon, smaller than Maui.
If the Earth were a golf ball,
Larger than a golf ball. These dead stars have puzzled astronomers for many years. Discovered in 1967 by Jocelyn Bell Burnell and Anthony Hewish, who at the time had no lives, these strange objects presented many problems for astrophysicists.
Pulsars emit beams of light at regular intervals. The first pulsar discovered was LGM-1, or Little Green Men, because astronomers thought the light was emitted from aliens.
Pulsars emit light in strong beams along their magnetic poles. This light comes in pulses, hence the name pulsar. These observed pulses are caused by the rapid rotation of pulsars.
if the Earth were a golf ball, then pulsars would be spinning really fast.
Pulsars are like spinning blades of death. Except, instead of slicing you in half, you get a flash of light. And these flashes of light are how we see pulsars.
As the pulsar spins and one of its magnetic poles points toward the Earth, a beam of light is sent in our direction, and as the pole points away from the Earth, the light fades. Basically, so it spins and it wins. That one's for you, Michael.
Pulsars can spin over 1,000 times per second. That's like being on a merry-go-round from hell. You do not want to be on one of those things. Trust me.
Some pulsars are spinning very fast. Their outer layers are moving nearly 1/5 the speed of light. That's nearly 37,000 miles per second. It's moving so fast that the centripetal force would flatten your body into a pancake.
A pulsar's rapid rotation is directly related to its parent star's collapse. As a massive star collapses in a supernova, its outer layers move inward. The momentum of these layers is preserved, and like an ice skater pulling in her arms to spin faster, a neutron star is formed, spinning very fast.
A neutron star is like one giant atomic nucleus. It is mostly made up of neutrons with the occasional proton and electron at its surface. Pulsar is basically a neutron star with an extremely strong magnetic field and a rapid rotation.
Some pulsars have magnetic fields quadrillions of times stronger than the Earth's. It's so strong, it can pull water, which is only slightly diamagnetic, off the Earth's surface from 1,000 miles away.
But a pulsar's magnetic field is the least of your worries if you are only 1,000 miles away from one.
Pulsars are incredibly dense. If the Earth were a golf ball, then pulsars would be smaller than specks of dust. Pulsars usually only have a radius of about 12 miles, and yet can be more massive than 2 whole suns. That's like a speck of dust weighing more than a school bus. Now let's think about this for a moment. If a pulsar can have so much mass in such a small space, then God can certainly make big differences with little people. Amen?
The high density of a pulsar causes any nearby object to accelerate toward it very quickly due to gravitational attraction.
Now, if you were unfortunate enough to be caught in a pulsar's gravitational field, you would accelerate to nearly the speed of light in under a second. This would not be a pleasant experience.
Yeah!
Pulsars are among the most deadly phenomena in the universe, outdone only by dangerous entities like black holes, quasars, gamma-ray bursts, supernovae, the plot of Lost, and Barack Obama.
If the Earth were a golf ball, then a nearby pulsar would be like a Blendtec blender.
Will it blend? That is the question.
A pulsar doesn't have to be close to the Earth to destroy all life on the planet. Some pulsars emit high-energy X-ray and gamma light, which could drastically affect life on Earth.
And that's what happened on August 27th, 1998. A kind of pulsar called a soft gamma repeater released gamma and X-rays in our direction from 20,000 light-years away. The burst was so powerful, it ionized Earth's upper atmosphere at night just as much as the sun does during the day.
If any soft gamma repeaters exist close to the Earth, they could potentially strip away the upper atmosphere and make Earth uninhabitable.
The fact that the harmful radiation from pulsars, or any other astronomical event, has not destroyed life on Earth shows that although we are small, we are very important to God.
But we never know when one of these dangerous phenomena will strike again. Next time, even more air could be ionized in the upper atmosphere, causing adverse effects like more ionized air in the upper atmosphere. Changes like these could drastically affect life as we know it on Earth.
There are many dangerous events in the universe. Pulsars are only one of these, and we can never know when or to what extent they will affect life on Earth.
Let's go see.
If the Earth were a golf ball, then that would not be a golf ball. If the Earth were a golf ball, then... Okay guys, really? Really? This doesn't even come close.
There are many dangerous events in the universe. Hello, I'm not Filipinko. Here's a short introduction to myself. Most of you do know my older brother, Alex Filipinko. He's a lot better looking, so generally more famous than me. He recently got engaged to Kelsey Yarborough. He's really excited about that. That pretty much sums up my life. Some of my favorite hobbies is going to movies such as Star Trek, Star Wars, all of them, and of course, you guessed it, Transformers. When I see Optimus Prime on that screen, it really reminds me of my own life. I'm always saving people from disbelief in science. And my brother Alex, he's the face of the corporation because he's so good looking, but I'm really the brains behind it all.